You may be wondering, what is Bitcoin mining? Can I generate Bitcoin using my computer? Is mining still profitable today? Today on InvestingHub, we dive into these questions and more. With you, Nick, and we start. Bitcoin was designed as a decentralized alternative to traditional banking. This means Bitcoin operates without a central authority, allowing funds to transfer directly between users. In traditional banking, transferring money is simple. The bank updates the ledger, moving funds from one account to another. However, in this centralized system, the bank holds all the power to manage the ledger. So how do you create a decentralized system where no single entity controls the ledger? The answer lies in Bitcoin's protocol, which I like to call "Who Wants to Be a Banker?" Anyone can join this decentralized network and help update the ledger, known as the blockchain, by solving a complex cryptographic puzzle. If your computer guesses the right solution, you earn Bitcoin and the right to record the next set of transactions. When a miner solves the puzzle, they select a batch of pending transactions to form a block. This block, along with the solution, is broadcast to the network for validation. Other miners verify the solution and update their ledgers accordingly. Because mining relies on guessing, different miners win the right to update the blockchain over time. Once the block is validated, the system rewards the miner with new Bitcoin and any transaction fees from the included transactions. This process of verifying transactions is why it's called mining, though the primary purpose is maintaining the decentralized ledger. Mining isn't just free money. Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin's creator, designed the system so that mining becomes harder as more people join. This self-adjusting difficulty ensures a steady flow of new Bitcoin into circulation, preventing inflation. On average, a new block is mined every 10 minutes, though this timing can vary in the short term. As individual mining became less viable due to increased competition, mining pools were created. These pools combine the computational power of many miners, increasing the chance of earning rewards, which are then distributed based on each participant's contribution. This allows even small miners to participate and earn a share of Bitcoin. The short answer, probably not. The longer answer, it depends. Profitability is influenced by several factors. Hash rate, the number of guesses your computer makes per second. Block reward, the amount of Bitcoin awarded per block, currently 6.25 BTC, having roughly every 4 years. Mining difficulty, how hard it is to solve the puzzle, adjusted based on network power. Electricity costs, the price per kilowatt hour of electricity in your area. Power consumption, the energy your miner uses. Pool fees, fees charged by mining pools. Bitcoin's price. Fluctuations in Bitcoin's value affect profitability. Difficulty growth. As more miners join, mining becomes harder over time. By plugging these factors into a mining calculator, you can estimate your potential earnings. If your costs outweigh your earnings, mining may not be for you. Cloud mining. Rent mining power from companies, but beware. Many are scams or unprofitable. Mobile mining. Technically possible but inefficient due to low phone processing power. Web mining. Websites can use visitors' CPUs to mine, often without consent. While controversial, it provides an ad-free monetization method for site owners. Some argue Bitcoin mining wastes electricity. However, supporters point out that traditional financial systems consume far more resources when considering banks, ATMs, and physical money production. Additionally, many mining operations utilize surplus electricity, improving global energy efficiency. People often ask if companies like Google could dominate mining. While possible, Google's servers are ill-suited for Bitcoin mining compared to specialized ASIC miners. Even if Google focused all its resources on mining, it would contribute only a fraction of the total network power. After learning about the challenges and costs, you might conclude that mining isn't worth it. In many cases, buying Bitcoin or mining alternative cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Monero, or Zcash may be more profitable. Bitcoin mining is essential for maintaining the decentralized ledger and incentivizing participants, but whether it's worth your investment depends on many factors. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, hit like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.